In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbering in Google Vids. This handy feature can make your documents look more organized and professional, particularly helpful when creating lists, outlines, or any content that benefits from a clear structure. So let's dive right in and see how you can easily implement this in your Google Vids documents. Firstly, to begin this process, you need to navigate to Google Vids. For those who might not be familiar, Google Vids is part of the broader suite of tools offered by Google Workspace, designed to enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts. Once you're there, the very first step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button, which should be prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to use for access. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you pick the one associated with the workspace where your intended document exists, or where you plan to create a new one. After you've successfully signed in, it's time to locate the document you wish to add numbering to. If you're starting from scratch, you would create a new document. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we will assume you're editing an existing document. Navigate to the specific document and open it up. Once your document is open, locate the text where you want to introduce numbering. You might be working on a list, an outline for a project, or any other format where numbering can bring clarity and structure. Highlight the text with your cursor to select it. This action signals Google Vids about the specific content you want to format. Now here comes the part where you actually add the numbering. Look towards the toolbar, often referred to as the ribbon, for the numbering icon. It usually resembles a list with numbers, a straightforward and familiar icon to most users familiar with text editing tools. Clicking on this icon will automatically apply numbering to your selected text. It's instant and transforms your highlighted content into a neatly organized, numerically ordered list. However, before we conclude, there's an important tip to keep in mind. If your screen is minimized or not fully expanded, the ribbon with the numbering icon might not be fully visible. In such cases, look for the three dots, often located at the end or the side of the toolbar. Clicking on these dots will expand your ribbon, making all hidden icons, including the numbering icon, visible. This step ensures you have full access to all formatting options, even on smaller screens or when working in a minimized browser window. And just like that, you've successfully added numbering to your document in Google Vids. This simple yet effective feature can significantly enhance the readability and organization of your documents. What's wonderful about Google Vids, and indeed most Google Workspace tools, is the intuitive design and user interface, making tasks like these straightforward for users at any skill level. Remember, the key to making the most out of these digital tools lies in exploring and experimenting with their features. So don't hesitate to use numbering in various contexts to see how it can best serve your document's purpose and improve its overall presentation. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're creating detailed reports, planning documents, or crafting comprehensive guides, understanding how to effectively use numbering in Google Vids can elevate your work. Keep practicing, exploring more features, and soon you'll be leveraging the full potential of this powerful tool to make your documents shine.